Carlaskitchencc, best cooking round here. Welcome to Carlaskitchencc YouTube channel. Hey, Carla!
Thank you for coming back. I am here again with another amazing recipe. Today I will be showing you how to make curried breadfruit with pig's tail. So this is my breadfruit that I will be using. And allow me to introduce you to the rest of my ingredients. Here are my bell pepper, my onion, spring onion, garlic, and ginger, and I also have parsley here. Here are the seasonings that I will be using.
Carlaskitchencc, best cooking round here. Hey, Carla! Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carlaskitchencc, best cooking round here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carlaskitchencc. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's.
Here is the peeled breadfruit, guys. This is what it looks like. Here I'm pouring some vegetable oil in the pot to start frying the breadfruit. The oil is ready. Let's go ahead and turn the breadfruit. I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the pot. And here's the pigtail seasoned. So we're getting ready to start cooking it. And the breadfruit. Alright, so here I have 2 tablespoons of oil in my pot. And I'm going to go in with my chopped garlic, ginger, chopped onion, and this is 1 Scotch bonnet pepper chopped. Curry, turmeric, now I will allow my curry to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, once the oil is settled underneath the curry, then you know it's time to put your meat in the pot, okay? So the curry is ready. So I'm going to go ahead now and add pig's tail. Now I've added ½ cup of water to my pot, and I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let this cook for 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the rest of my seasoning now. Here I'm adding my bell pepper. add 2 cups of coconut milk here. I'll go ahead now and I'll add the breadfruit. Spring onions. These 2 start finely chopped. Adding my bay leaf. Then I'll add my spice. Now I'll add my cinnamon. I will now cover the pot and I will allow this to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Wow. Look at this curried pigtail and breadfruit, guys. It smells so good in this kitchen. Wow. Look at that. Yum. To all the pigtails lovers, curry pigtail is here for you. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my parsley to my pot. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. And if you're still here and you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that little bell down there. Make sure it is on all so you do not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much to the viewing public. Thank you guys so much for watching. And to all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you all. To my old subscribers, thank you guys so much. And more blessings to the viewing public. Thank you guys a lot. So here we have the curry breadfruit and pigtail. Looking so yummy. Tastes so good. Try out this recipe, guys. Try it out. Thank you.
Carlaskitchencc, best cooking around here. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carlaskitchencc, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carlaskitchencc. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carlaskitchencc, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carlaskitchencc. Yeah, yeah, yeah.